Yesterday and today, I've been searching for all the emails that have been sent back and forth, taking pictures of all the damage on each door instead. And each door install and sent a very formal email saying it's their problem. They have to come fix it.
Oh, gotcha.
Same thing.
Board.
I think it was like the other ones, the farthest line.
Oh, yeah. But they should also know how to do their job. It'll be less maintenance. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Thought I was dodging you.
You were. I went to go catch it because I didn't know.
Oh, yeah. Let me put the little mirror bell in the corner here. There we go.
Wait.
Start over. No. What's up, Boom Boom?
Vibrant.
It is. That you lost me there. You lost me there.
The bank housing part builds many of these street complexes. This one, what do you want me to do?
Everyone coming in, I'm working on a costume of Mirabelle from Encanto. The Halloween costume. I'm getting the waistband onto the skirt, but part of the waistband is going to need elastic. I'm not going to sew all of it, but I am clamping all of it for now just so I can see where everything needs to line up.
Clamping, boy.
Oh, okay, I get it. No, I didn't know you were driving a moped. I remember because I was thinking the other day about when you were fixing your car for inspection. Oh, it's electric? Nice. Hubby, all the way to the right in the top, in the back of it, there's a one of those spools, and it's got like a elastic. Thank you. Oh yeah, nice, dude. As long as the tires are okay.
They are now.
Yeah, especially if you don't need anything more than that, then you're good. We saw a funny meme about Norway the other day. About how like you know how your houses look?
Was it the death metal one?
Yeah. And it was like you've got like Norwegian death metal artists writing their music out of a house that looks like this, and it was like pictures of those like little cute houses in Norway. Oh yeah, I've seen that. I was like, the worst part is that it's fucking true. Isn't your house kind of cute, David? You guys know the band Mayhem?
Yeah. Nice.
You said you know the band Mayhem?
Yeah, I know of them. I've heard of them. There's like a documentary.
A documentary?
I grew up on a neighbor hill. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think they're the ones that like the lead singer killed the old lead singer and took a picture of it and used that as like a album cover.
And that's fine, they're not in prison?
He went to prison.
Oh,
I can't remember the exact story, but
and he's
like,
now out of prison?
yeah, I, I think I'm telling it wrong, but
Okay, I need to figure out. I want it to like squish down to maybe, because you said it was 19 and a half. If I wanted to squish down to like 18, which is with the elastic, that it holds, I think that would be fine.
yeah,
So, yes.
yeah. Burzum, who was former member killed their guitarist, but their old vocalist committed suicide, and they used that as the album cover.
Oh. And that's okay. They can just do that.
I guess.
So I have 11.5 here.
What's up, Zine? Once a year, the Norwegian Forest Department searches the woods and picks up all the metal bands that got lost while shooting pictures for their album covers. Did you say you have 11.5?
Yeah, 11.5. 7.5 of elastic.
Sure.
I get to 18.
You get the
6.5.
18? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why I couldn't do that, man.
Could be a forest fucking anywhere too. That's the worst part.
Yeah.
In case I fucked it up.